Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to convert any old Android device into security camera. So let's get started. So first of all we need to install app from Play Store. So you have to search in Play Store for IP cam and you have to install this app which is IP webcam from Play Store, and I have clicked on install. So it is installing. After installing this app we need to connect camera device and receiving device together. To connect them you can use local network, and you can also use internet to connect them. If you use internet then you can access this IP webcam from worldwide. So you can see my app has been installed and I have opened it. Now I have to make some configuration and give permissions to this app. After that I will start video server. So if you want to connect locally then you can just simply turn on hotspot of this camera device and can connect receiving device to this hotspot. In second method you can connect both devices to same Wi-Fi, and this is my case. I have connected this smartphone and laptop to same Wi-Fi and making their connection local. So you can see these are the local IP addresses shown on screen, and I have to type any one of these in my receiving device browser. So I have opened Chrome browser in my laptop and which acts as a receiving device. Now I have to type this IP address in my address bar of Chrome browser, and these both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, so they are making local network. And after typing IP I have to type port number on which server is running. So you can see I am typing IP address, and this IP address cannot be accessed over internet. And if you want to available it from internet then you can use static IP, and if your ISP does not provide you static IP then you can use port forwarding service. So you can see this website has been opened and it is serving from server running on this smartphone, and you can see there are many features you can control directly from browser, and there is no necessity to use laptop or as a receiving device. You can use any device with browser, and you can use any other Android device to access this webcam, and you can also use desktop and other type of devices. So I have clicked on JavaScript, and if your browser does not support JavaScript then you have to click on browser. So you can see this is streaming this video from this smartphone to this browser of laptop. And if you want to stream it over internet then you will need a static IP, and you can request it from your internet service provider. If your ISP does not provide static IP then you can use port forwarding service, or you can also host port forwarding server on your domain and can bind your domain name to this IP webcam. So you can access it from worldwide. You can see now it is streaming in very good quality because it is on local network, so there is no bandwidth limit and it gives very high speed. And after that you can also zoom from directly from your browser, and you can increase stream quality because I am on local network so no data will be used. And you can also configure exposure of camera, and there are so many features you can control. You can turn on LED flashlight directly from your browser, and you can use any other device to control this IP webcam. You can also use you can also use KaiOS operating system to control this IP webcam. I have tested this on KaiOS and it is working. Sorry, this app has been hanged because my mobile is very old, so I have to start server again, and I have to refresh this web page to reload content of this website. This is not website, this is running locally, and it is interface provided by app, and you can also record video directly inside your browser. So now I have to click on JavaScript, and you can see it is streaming now. And now you can capture a snapshot, or you can record video, and there are so many features you can read and explore them. And there is LED flashlight, you can click on off just by browser. So I hope you have liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because your support is most important. And you can also enable two-way audio, by which you can conference and transmit your voice to camera device. And you can, or there are so many features, you can receive audio from camera device.